So I took it as a challenge and I took it as a motivation. I took it really as a challenge to grow me based on result. So sabi niya, why will I allow you to hold the mic? Anong ituturo mo sa mga tao? Paano maging broke? Sakit! Tama eh. Yun yung, tama eh. Alam mo yung nasasaktan ka pero di ka pwede makapagreklamo kasi totoo eh, di ba? So ano ituturo? Di ba? Para yan yung ano, di ba? Tuturuan mo na napaka-grabbing love advice. Tapos ikaw mismo, broken-hearted. So, ang sakit. So sabi ko, di ako makapagreklamo kahit na gusto ko magreklamo kasi deep inside my heart,
alam mo,
he was right. So I took it as a challenge and I took it as a motivation. And I think nung na-meet mo ko, Tio Bray, 5 years ago, it was, I could say, I was in the financial industry during that time. I took it really as a challenge to grow me based on result. And ano lang yung resulta in as far as professional life is concerned. Personal kasi pwede ka magkaroon ng healthy, loving, and fulfilling relationship with yourself. Pwede ka magkaroon ng peace of mind. Okay naman yon. Pero sa totoo lang, subjective kasi yon. Diba? Pwede mong sabihin sa akin na motivated ka, hindi ko kayang kontrahin yun. Pero in terms of professional life, the reason why I love this as a good measure of self-improvement, kasi objective to. Ano yung professional life? Simple lang, pera. Ang 1 milyon sa Luzon, pagpunta mo ng Mindanao, 1 milyon pareho lang. So walang makakakontra sa'yo. So sabi ko, ano ang measure ko to say that I have improved me? Money. My professional life.
True.
Because now, it's a mirror. No? Sinasalamin niya kung ano yung tunay. At if I don't have money, how could I say I know what it takes to be successful?